Welcome to AeroAuto Adventures. Imagine a world where you can avoid traffic jams, save time, and travel in the skies, all while being environmentally friendly. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it's becoming reality with eVTOL aircraft. These electric vertical takeoff and landing vehicles are poised to revolutionize urban transportation. Let's dive in and explore what makes them so groundbreaking. eVTOL stands for Electric Vertical Takeoff and Landing. These futuristic vehicles combine the speed of airplanes with the flexibility of helicopters. Using advanced electric motors, they can take off, hover, and land vertically, making them perfect for urban environments with limited space. Let's break down some of the game-changing features of eVTOLs, electric motors. These aircraft are powered by clean, zero-emission electric motors, making them an eco-friendly alternative to traditional helicopters. Autonomous flight systems. Many eVTOL designs aim to include self-flying capabilities, reducing the need for human pilots and enhancing efficiency. Low noise levels. Unlike traditional aircraft, eVTOLs are designed to be quiet, making them ideal for use in busy urban areas. These features aren't just innovative, they could redefine how we travel within cities. So why all the buzz around eVTOLs? Here's what makes them so appealing. Beat the traffic. eVTOLs can bypass congested city streets, drastically cutting down travel time. Eco-friendly. Powered by electricity, these aircraft produce zero emissions, contributing to a cleaner environment. Efficient design. Their compact and lightweight build allows for energy-efficient operation. However, like any new technology, eVTOLs face some challenges. Safety concerns. How will these vehicles operate safely in crowded urban airspace? Infrastructure needs. Cities will require new infrastructure, like skyports and charging stations, to support eVTOLs. High costs. Developing and scaling this technology is expensive, which could limit its accessibility initially. Companies like Joby Aviation, Lilium, and Uber Air are leading the charge in making eVTOLs a reality. Their prototypes showcase impressive features, from all-electric propulsion systems to autonomous navigation. These projects are not just experimental, they're setting the stage for a new era of transportation. Could eVTOLs become as common as cars? Imagine a network of flying taxis seamlessly integrated into urban life. While we're still a few years away from widespread adoption, the progress is undeniable. eVTOLs have the potential to make our cities cleaner, quieter, and more connected than ever. What do you think? Are eVTOLs the future of urban mobility, or are they just a lofty dream? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to AeroAuto Adventures, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on the latest in transportation technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure.